With that, let's shift our attention now to the big story from the national capital. An earthquake measuring 4.0 on the Richter scale hit Delhi NCR early on Monday with a depth of 5 kilometers, according to the National Centre for Seismology. The strong tremors were felt at 5:36 a.m. and the sudden jolts prompted residents to rush out of their homes in panic. Prime Minister Modi took note of the same and urged people to stay calm, asking them to follow the safety precautions. He said that the authorities are keeping a look at any aftershocks if it happens or not. The Prime Minister took to social media X and he said, follow the safety protocols. The authorities are keeping a close watch on any aftershocks or any after effects. He urged the people to stay calm and not to panic. People immediately rushed out from their homes and went outside. It was early in the morning when tremors were felt. And the epicenter this time around was in the national capital. And that's the reason why it caused some panic. So here's the tweet that came in from the Prime Minister. Prime Minister saying tremors were felt in Delhi and nearby areas, urging everyone to stay calm and follow safety precautions, staying alert for possible aftershocks. Authorities are keeping a close watch on the situation. So that's the message that came in from the Prime Minister. We also spoke to a lot of residents who spoke about that moment, the experience that they felt and the fear and panic that came in. Listen in.
भैया हम उठ के बैठे ही थे। इतना तगड़ा भूकंप आया कि हम बिल्कुल हिल गए तो हमने बच्चे उठाए और बच्चे उठा के तुरंत हम बाहर निकल के आए। 2 झटके आए थे बहुत जोर से और वैसे हम सब ठीक ठाक थे, परेशान हैं।
ऐसा तकरीबन 5:35 पर मुझे ऐसा आवाज़ हुआ कि जैसे किसी ने कोई पूरी बिल्डिंग जोर से हिल गई हो। जब मैं उठ करके बेड पर बैठा तो मैंने देखा कि ऊपर का पंखा हिल रहा था और मुझे फिर मैं कमरे से बाहर आया। मैंने देखा कि झूमर जो बाहर वाला हॉल वाला झूमर था वो हिल रहा था। मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे कि क्या नाम है भूकंप आया हो। मैं तुरंत उठा, अपने बीवी बच्चों को लेकर के, मम्मी पापा को लेकर के घर के बाहर आया और फिर इतना तेज भूकंप मैंने अपने जीवन में कभी भी नहीं देखा।
My colleague Sabyasachi is live with us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, Delhi NCR region is prone to several such tremors, after effects being felt in the Delhi NCR region time and again. But the reason why this was scary and caused a lot of panic was because the epicenter was in the national capital itself. Several of the residents that we spoke to as well spoke about how strong the tremors felt.
Well, that's right. See, the national capital is prone to earthquake. In the past also, we had seen that several times tremors were felt in the national capital. But this time, it was different because the epicenter was here in the national capital itself. And that is the reason why the tremors were extremely strong. We'll get you some reactions. आपसे पूछूंगा, जब भूकंप आया था, आपने झटके महसूस किए थे?
हाँ, सुबह होटल में थे हम रुके हुए, प्रयागराज से आए थे। तो रुके तो सुबह 5:30 या समथिंग 6 बजे का टाइम था, तो हल्का फुल्का महसूस होया। तो होटल वालों ने कहा, मालिक ने कि बाहर चलो, भूकंप का है। फिर हम बाहर आए तो कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं था वैसे, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत एहसास तो हुआ था।
तो घबराहट महसूस हुई उससे? हाँ,
घबराहट हुई थी। हम 3-4 जने थे होटल में, रूम में रुके, तीनों चारों बाहर आके खुली जगह में गए थे।
So we'll get you more reactions, सर आपसे पूछूंगा सर, जो भूकंप के झटके आपने महसूस किए?
बिल्कुल, बहुत महसूस किया सर। एकदम से ऐसा आया जैसे ट्रेन का पहिया चलता है, ऐसे आया था। बिल्कुल ऐसे आया और ऐसे निकल गया।
उस टाइम कितने लोग थे यहाँ पे स्टेशन में?
मैं यहाँ नहीं, मैं तो घर की बता रहा हूँ।
अच्छा।
घर था, कोई आया था 6 पौने 6 बजे करीब आया। 5:30 नहीं, पौने 6 करीब, पौने 6 बजे की बात है।
So there you go, that the people have felt the strong tremors. In fact, people living in different areas of the national capital immediately evacuated their residents, specifically people living in the high rises, such where the tremors, though they have may have lasted for few seconds, but it have created a chaos situation.
Yes, a lot of panic with a lot of questions being raised. What does this mean? Are there going to be more aftershocks? Are the authorities taking note? Why is the epicenter in the national capital? The concerns around it. Stay with us. We have more breaking updates coming in after earthquake jolted Delhi and Siwan in Bihar. Tremors also being felt in Sikkim with a magnitude of 2.3 on the Richter scale. So earthquake being felt in Sikkim as well. So in the national capital, in the Delhi NCR region, it's not just in Delhi. Delhi was the epicenter, but tremors being felt in the entire Delhi NCR region, including Noida as well as Ghaziabad. And then tremors were felt at about 8 a.m. in Bihar, in Siwan of Bihar as well. Residents rushing out of their homes after they felt tremors. And now in the latest, we have details coming in of a quake, a 2.3 on the Richter scale, tremors being felt in Sikkim as well. Are there concerns around it? We're keeping our focus on that. For our quick break, we'll be right back.